Alright, tubes, got something a little different here. We're going to change this panel here, these buttons here for the window. The window's not working, not going up and down. This is a 99 Toyota. So what you're going to need is a flat blade. This here is just a stiff putty knife, and you stick it in up here near the front. And there's a little tab here. And it'll pop up just like that. It'll come out. You turn it upside down here. You disconnect this. Push this little thing in, and then that helps you pull that out. So now you got this out. Let me put this over here. Here's our new one. We picked up on eBay for 30 bucks. So now with this, all you have to do is take 3 screws out, 3 Phillips head screws here. Try not to lose them. On the floor here, right there. Got Roadqueen filming me here. How am I doing?
Right.
Okay. Okay, now it should come out. Whoops, drop a screw. Alright, take the old one out. Put the new one in. Screws back in here. These 2 back screws. Get the other screw dropped on the ground here. Alright. Plug back in here, pushes right in, stick this little tab in the back, push it in, and you're done. Now, you've got to check the window, make sure it works. Front key here. Alrighty. There you go.